Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a modern lettermark logo, so no more talk, let's get started. First, take the rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Right-click, go to the transform, rotate, and set the number 300 degree. And press OK. Select the shape, copy it to the right, and then reflect it. Select both shape, take the Shape Builder tool, and delete the outside shape, by pressing Alt from the keyboard. Now draw a rectangle over the shape we created, and delete it by the Shape Builder tool. Take the pen tool, and create a new shape here. Select all the shape, go to the Pathfinder panel, and click on Unite. Now copy it to the right, then right-click and reflect it. And place it to the correct position, so that it looks like letter W. And lastly select all the shape, and delete this part by the Shape Builder tool. Now let's color it, and apply some shadow to make it 3D look. Select the shape, and go to the Gradient panel, click on Gradient, in the mid create another color option by click once time, then pick the color by the eyedropper tool. With the Gradient tool, set the direction of the gradient color. Now take pen tool, and create a shape here. Give it to the background color. Rounded the corner by the Direct Selection tool. Select the rounded shape, and reflect it to another side, just click the Alt key from the keyboard. Now select all the shape, and minus this part by the Shape Builder tool. Now take the pen tool, and create a shape here, we will use shadow in this shape. Delete the outside shape, by the Shape Builder tool. Select the white part, go to the Gradient panel, delete the mid-gradient, and one side of the gradient make darker and other side opacity make 0. Then go to the Transparency panel, set the color normal to multiply. Rounded this corner with the Direct Selection tool. Then set the direction with the Gradient tool. Now select the shadow shape, take the Reflect tool, and reflect it to the other side. Then press on Copy. We will make a shadow here too. Rounded the corner. And set the gradient direction, then reflect it to the other side. To give it a better look, we can rounded the corner. Lastly, we will make another shadow here. I will suggest you to do the same like me as a practice, and post it to our Facebook group. You will get the Facebook group link in the first comment. So this is our final logo. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, and comments which part you love most in this video. I will be so happy to hear your feedback. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.